Hello, and welcome to another episode of Craft Chocolate TV. My name is Dylan with Winnower Chocolate, and today we are going to recap one of the experiences we had with Michael from Ep.84 Chocolate in the Czech Republic. In the most beautiful area of the Czech countryside. It was so nice to be there with other chocolate makers, looking at not just his factory, but the machines that he is making. And this is so important because what Michael is doing is filling a void that the craft chocolate industry has needed. He's making really well-made equipment at reasonable prices, and he's a chocolate maker. So he knows what he's looking for and has taken a lot of the feedback from other chocolate makers to do 2.0 and 3.0 models that you definitely want if you're starting a chocolate factory. So the first one we're going to talk about is the stone Melanger, the stone grinder that he's made. He's got, I believe, a 30 kilo or a 25 kilo, I think 30 kilo and a 60 kilo stone grinder. It is so well made with such wonderful features. It's got the ability to use a hand crank to lift the wheels up super easily, because if you've ever been around a while in chocolate, you're trying to lift these heavy stones out to clean them, and well, it's a two-person job and it's still not comfortable. This, you just crank it away, it lifts it right up effortlessly. You can scrape the wheels. Great for cleaning, great for not hurting yourself by overlifting. The tilting device, same. It's a little hand crank, tips the thing right down. You can control where it is without trying to hold the machine up and tip it and making a mess or potentially hurting yourself. Once again, the stone tensioners, the ability to not need tools and you just use your hands to unscrew and screw things for tightening, the ability to hold spatulas on the side. It's just really well thought out as he incorporated feedback from other chocolate makers. The other device that accompanies his stone Melanger is a Vibratory Sieve, which is ingenious because it's so simple. You wheel it over, you're able to slide sheet pans of a certain depth that is underneath a finely meshed sieve. And so you hand crank the stone Melanger down, it pours into the sieve, straining out any larger particles that you don't necessarily want. It fills the sheet pan. You take a sheet pan that instead of weighing 20 kilos, it's 10 kilos or however much you fill it up, and then it's layered. So you take one out and then the next one is right below. Brilliant, love it. Wish it was around when we were using stone Melangers. Wonderful way to start. Additionally, the plug for it is on the stone Melanger. So you wheel it over, plug it in, it starts vibrating, you pour the chocolate in. Bravo. Well done, Michael. The next one is his Winnower. Not only is it affordable, but you won't need another one until you scale to a good size of 50 tons a year, 30 tons a year, whatever you're doing cacao-wise that's starting to be significant production. You won't need to think of another one for a long time. And so you'll have a wonderfully made machine at a decent price. Check it out. That was Michael from Ep.84. It was such a pleasure being there. What a wonderful host. What a wonderful amount of chocolate and family and area. Anyway, thanks for hosting us, Michael. And if you want to get a hold of Michael, we're going to link his email below if you're interested in getting quotes on any of these three machines, which we highly recommend. Until next time, aloha.